The price our children pay for a failing government, our OFWs. Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni editorial. The Philippines proudly hails its overseas Filipino workers as modern day heroes. Yet behind the remittance that keep this fragile economy afloat lies a devastating truth. The children of these heroes are paying the highest price. While billions of pesos enter our coffers every year, the government stands idle, blind to the emotional scars, broken families, and childhood robbed in exchange for survival abroad. Every hug not given, every graduation celebrated through a screen, every tear wiped alone in the dark, these are the hidden costs of labor migration. Children are left to grow up without the warmth of a mother's embrace or the guidance of a father's hand, forced to mature with a gaping void in their hearts. Depression, rebellion, and fractured identities plague a generation raised not by choice but by necessity. And who is to blame? Not the parents who sacrifice, but the government that has failed to create decent jobs, fair wages, and livable futures within our shores. This is not a triumph. This is a state sanctioned neglect. Instead of crafting policies that follow families to stay together, successive administrations have glorified the export of labor as if tearing families apart were an achievement to be proud of. The so called lifeblood of the economy is sustained not by the sweat of heroes, but by the tears of children abandoned to loneliness. How many more birthdays must pass without a parent? How many more children must stumble into despair, left vulnerable to exploitation and vice, while our leaders boast of remittance driven growth? This national dependence on broken families is a curse, not a badge of honor. The price of poverty should never be the childhood of our children. The government must be held accountable for turning blind eye to the suffering it has normalized. The children of OFWs are not collateral damage. They are victims of a system that has chosen dollars over dignity and statistics over souls. The time has come to demand more than lip service. Our children deserve parents at home, not monuments abroad. Until then, every peso of remittance stained with the silent cries of the young lives this nation has failed to protect. Thank you for watching.